Hey, you. Want to come have some fun?
Those arms are so big and veiny. Get in.
Me?
Yes, you.
I gotta get back to work soon. Let's do it.
So what's your name, handsome?
I'm Ron.
Big Ron. That's hot. So tell me, how's your pullout game?
I'm pretty confident in it. I haven't had any mishaps yet.
Raw dog Ron. You love it, don't you?
Yeah, I guess I do. Yeah.
Well, the pullout method is only 78% effective. Did you know that, mister?
No.
And depending on the person, some pre-cum can actually have rogue sperm and can still get your partner pregnant.
Wow, that's very interesting.
Yeah. So you better be careful, Ron, even if you are the pullout king. Which, speaking of, do you have a hood? Or are you an uncut warrior?
Oh, I bet he is.
If you're asking if I'm uncircumcised, yeah, if that's what you mean.
I knew it.
Oh, you ladies love that, huh?
I do. It's my favorite.
Well, I mean, if you want to see it.
Oh, Ron, you're so funny.
You know what I want to see in the future, Ron? You adding 1 to 2 drops of water or silicone-based lubricant into the condom.
Well, like I said, pull out king. Besides, condoms can get a little uncomfortable sometimes, right?
Don't be silly, Ron. Do what Lumi says and give yourself a couple of strokes to fully make sure that the foreskin is in the condom, ensuring maximum protection.
Okay, sure. I mean, I'll try that sometime. But what about what's going on right now? I mean, I thought we were gonna.
Oh my God, Ron, didn't you say you have to get back to work?
Yeah, you're a hardworking guy with a big uncut hog. You gotta go.
Wait, I mean, I'm so confused.
Well, you won't be confused about putting on a condom next time, babe.
Bye.
Bye.
Really?
So, Ron, were you satisfied?
I have no idea what the heck that was, all right? And I'm late for work. Do you mind? Are we done?
Sure.
Thanks, guys.